Hi guys and Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with the 2022 Alicia Souza Planner setup. I know it's pretty late. Nevertheless, here I am. I hope you'd get some new ideas and templates for your planner. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Upon opening the planner, we can see a pocket to fill with notes of love and encouragement. I had a few stickers of affirmations and decided to put them in it, so when I feel blue, I can pick one up and motivate myself. You are a star, take it easy, you're fearless, and so on. Now I'm writing down my name. And there is a space to doodle one's face. I'm not very skilled at doodling, so I put a sticker there. And that's the one from last year. I have saved the sticker sheets from all her planners and calendars from the last 4 years. I can easily make a couple of sticker books myself. I decided to go with some flowers and leaves. These stickers are from Ink Bucket. I'll be filling up this page for personal information later. I also like having years at a glance for this year and the next, so these pages will remain untouched. And here we have a blank page and a page that explains how to use the letter from you page, which will come next. Apart from food blogging, I love reading and I have a Bookstagram account at Muffy Tales, where my golden retriever Mufasa and I host a yearly reading challenge named Reading with Muffy. If you'd like to join the reading challenge, I will leave a link that explains all about the challenge in the description box. I decided to put these two pages to good use by sticking a template for the books in my TBR or to be read and the Reading with Muffy prompts. There you go. However, later I decided to change it up. I wanted to log the books I read in 2022 and hence I made a bookshelf template for the same. It's pretty easy. I hope you can follow through. Here are stacks of books, just like how it is arranged in a bookshelf. I will also be adding some knickknacks to accessorize. And as and when I read a book, I'll be writing down the book title on one of the books in the template. Easy peasy. I hope you like this template. Next we have another blank page and this will be my password tracker. I use quite a few apps and websites and I almost always forget the passwords. So this will be a good place to keep a track of it. This is the letter to myself page which I'll fill and store in the planner back pocket later. In the next blank page, I'm setting up my yearly goals. Again, a simple template. I can also use it to jot down my quarterly goals. This is the budget planning section. Last year, I used it for tracking my recurring payments. This year though, I'm transforming it into my stats tracker for the blogs and social media channels. It's not about the numbers. I want to see the progress and growth of the effort I put into my work. I hope you are following me on Instagram. This is the goals and thoughts page, which I'm transforming into my vision board. Also, instead of scrapbooking, I went with making a digital template of my vision boards on the website called Canva. I took a printout of the same and stuck it here. I have a personal vision board as well as one for work. And next one is the big ideas page. I'm using it as a page to celebrate my big wins. For example, if I hit a certain number of page views on my blog per month or followers on Instagram, etc. And here comes the monthly section. Though this is the Jan page, I'm using it pretty much the same way all the months. I'm dividing this section into 6 areas, 2 for the blog, then Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and finance, as in my investments. A little sticker here and there doesn't hurt. Here I note down the mini goals of the month. For example, reading with Muffy sign up blog post had to be published, 4 videos a month on YouTube, 20 posts on Instagram, etc. This is the monthly spread. I first find a key word or phrase to motivate me through the month. Jan was all about new beginnings and goals. Then I note down all the important dates like birthdays, festivals, etc. For example, Muffy's birthday was on Jan 8th. Then there is Pongal, Army Day, Republic Day, etc. I also mark some wellness days like No Sugar Day, 5 minutes of meditation day to keep me going. I then note down the videos and blog posts that I'll be publishing on that month. I also like to track the shows or TV series that I watch and the books I read. In Jan, I was doing a rerun of The Good Wife and I started with The Mentalist as well. I'm on season 5 of The Mentalist as we speak now. This was the overview of Jan. I couldn't follow it to the T due to some family emergencies that I had during the last 10 days of the Jan, but you get the gist. Next is the weekly spread. I use it to note down my top 3 priorities of the day. For example, in this particular week, it was all about decluttering my mails, shoot the planner setup video, read a particular book, and so on. I also note some highlights of the day as to the show I watched or playtime with Muffy, doing a recipe research, etc. It gives me such a high to tick off these to-do lists every single day. We have a blank page in Jan, so I use this page as an idea dump for recipes. This is the monthly habit tracker. I use it to track my daily reading, no spend days, creating every day, etc. In my last video where I did a flip through of the planner, I mentioned that though I'm a food blogger, I do not do meal planning. So for this page, I decided to transform into my Instagram planner. I quickly note down the dates and I will later plan the reels or posts. This is the monthly wellness tracker. We have sleep, exercise and mood tracker here. I also track the daily meds and steps I walk. Here too I write down the dates first. Another blank page and I decided to go for a playlist tracker. I love listening to music and I like to jot down the new songs I discover every month. When I started this tracker, I had no idea as to how it was going, but thanks to Pinterest and YouTube, I found out I could use it as a playlist tracker. You may also use this template to track the shows you watch. There are a couple of blank pages towards the end of the planner. In the highlights section, I'm planning to stick Polaroid pictures of the highlights of each month. Next, instead of books to track, which I already made a separate page of, I'm tracking the shows that I have loved. And in this page, I'll be sticking some pictures of the travel that I do this year. Well, fingers crossed. Here's another important tracker, the fitness tracker. I'll be noting down some important milestones in terms of weight, from the starting weight to the goal weight. Well. I also like to give myself some rewards when I hit my goal weight. And here are some motivational stickers. This page is to track the measurements. That's the waist, hips, arms and thighs measurement and the weight loss graph. How is this tracker? Let me know if you like it. Last but not the least, since I'm not a fan of the ribbon bookmark, I use the gift tags from the previous years to tie and use it as a bookmark. That's all for now. I hope you got some inspiration and new ideas to use your planner to your benefit. In case you did, please don't forget to tag me. I would love to see how you customize them. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! I'll see you soon. Take care.